Succulent samphire has a really short season, so we're making the most of it at the moment. This salad is a lovely way to enjoy it. It's packed with summery flavours of cherry tomatoes, broad beans and herbs. Roast your tomatoes and take the crusts off your bread, tear it into chunks and toss in olive oil before popping those in the oven too until they're golden and perfectly crisp. Pod your broad beans, blanch them and then slip those out of their skins. Trim any dry ends on your samphire. Blanch it for a moment and cool it quickly to keep it crisp. Shred spring onions, parsley and mint and juice your lemon. Then make your dressing in a large bowl. Whisk together mustard, lemon juice and olive oil until it emulsifies. Assemble your ingredients and use your hands to toss it well in the dressing. Remember that samphire is naturally salty, so be mindful of that when you're seasoning it. Serve up for a salad that's seriously special.